Hello class 10th. Today I am going to narrate a story, second lesson story, The Thief's Story. Actually this Thief's Story has two characters. There is one Anil and the second is Hari Singh. Hari Singh is a thief person. He commits theft for his livelihood, for his living bread and butter. And he does so from his early childhood, I think from 4 or 5 years of age. Once what happens, Hari Singh meets with Anil. Anil is drinking or taking a tea at a shop. Hari Singh goes near to Anil. There he talks lot of things. Then Hari Singh asks before Anil to give him some work for him. Means Hari Singh says that Hari Singh wants to work for Anil. But Anil says that he has no money to pay him. Then Hari Singh says that whether he could provide him food. Anil becomes agree that if Hari Singh would be able to cook, then there will be no problem in eating or a problem of food for Hari Singh. Anil became ready to provide food to Hari Singh. Then suddenly what happened? When Anil carries with him Hari Singh at his home, both live with each other happily, joyfully. Anil Singh goes somewhere, finds some money, usually brings at home, and then Hari Singh finds that Anil is a writer. So he wrote some articles, etc., for magazine, newspapers. One day, what happens? Anil goes out and by selling his articles to a publisher, brings some money and shows to Hari Singh. Now Anil Singh is knowing very well that Hari Singh is a thief person. Yet after showing him during night, Anil puts all money, the whole money, under the his pillow, and he lays or sleeps by laying his head on the pillow at night. Now Hari Singh is knowing very well and knowing that where is the money. So what Hari Singh does, he tries to commit theft of those money. And when Anil Singh is sleeping, then he finds opportunity to commit theft of money, and by committing theft, taking the whole money, Hari Singh runs away from the home of Anil Singh. Now Anil Singh tries to educate him. Anil Singh teaches Hari Singh lot of lessons, to speak words, to write sentences, and other civilized words and activities are also taught by Anil to Hari Singh. When Hari Singh carries the whole money, he tries to run from the last train to the Lucknow. When he reaches or arrives at a station, suddenly his feet stammers, that is लड़खड़ा जाते हैं, and unknown type, unseen type of power restricts him, that is to Hari Singh, restricts to Hari Singh from catching the train, and thus Hari Singh misses the train. Train goes, Hari Singh remains stand on station. After missing train, Hari Singh what does? He becomes back from station to a tower place where tower is standing, and he sits under the tower. And then after sitting there, he starts to think what he has done with the Hari Singh, Anil Singh. Anil Singh has taught him, Anil Singh believes on him, and he has deceived him. उसने उसे धोखा दिया अनिल सिंह के विश्वास को. All these things, all such type of notions starts to come in the mind of Hari Singh. Then ultimately he decides to go back to Anil again, because he comes to conclusion that if he would learn to write, to speak sentences and other civilized activities of human being, then he will be able to earn more and a lot of money than those money which has been or which have been stolen by him from the Anil Singh. So he decides to go back to Anil and also returns back to Anil. But now problem is that to maintain the belief of Anil Singh on the Hari Singh, it was most important for Hari Singh to slip those money at the same place without the knowledge of the Anil that his money has been stolen. This was a difficult task for Hari Singh, yet he tries. He returns back to home, goes back to home of Anil Singh. There, still he finds that Anil Singh is sleeping. So he tries to sleep inside of the pillow, under the pillow, those money, and in doing so हरी सिंह सक्सीड्स. ऐसा करने में हरी सिंह सफल हो जाता है, वो पैसे तकिए के नीचे छिपा देता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही लेज डाउन upon his bed, and at early morning when Hari Singh opens his eyes, he finds that Anil is standing beside his bed. मीन्स हरी सिंह के बगल में, बेड के बगल में खड़ा है अनिल, टेकिंग अ कप ऑफ टी इन हिज हैंड फॉर हरी सिंह. And also with the cup of tea he has 50 rupees in his hands. Anil has, and Anil gives or hands over the cup of tea and 50 rupees to Hari Singh and says that from tomorrow I will pay. Means Anil will pay 50 rupees for a month to the Hari Singh, because now Anil has money to pay as a remuneration for the work of Hari Singh in favor of Anil. Now when Hari Singh is sitting under the tower, there was a rain, and due to sweat of his body, his whole that whole money is wet. So when Hari Singh, Anil hands over the 50 rupee note to Hari Singh comes to know that yet money is wet, and now Anil has realized that money is theft by Hari Singh. Yet Anil does not say a little word, even a single word, to Hari Singh about the committing theft. And even more than this, Anil Singh comes in contact and behaves with Anil in more polite way than earlier. And thus Hari Singh realizes that he has committed a blunder, and thus Hari Singh returns back and becomes a civilized person by teaching of the Anil Singh. And now this story tells that how a belief can be broken and how adverse caste can be affected on the mind of a person, and how a good behave of a good person, love and affection of a person can change even a bad person, bad habitual person. This is the moral of story. Thank you. Next chapter in next lesson.